Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Green Day here. The train is going and going, and this time we had a song called Fancy Sauce. So nice song there. Let's take a look at this one. No need for any capo, and we have 6 sweet chords. So let's learn them together. So we have first the A here. That is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have F sharp minor. You bar the second fret here over all strings, and then you need to add fourth on A and fourth on D. The next chord is also a bar chord, the B minor, placed on the same second fret there. You don't have to bar the last E string this time, and then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. We have E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B this time, and third E. Usually we go with third B, this time it's open. And then we have D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so we'll start with the verse here, and that's where the melody goes on. It's picking from the actual chords, so I suggest you hold the chords as they are. So we're gonna start with A, and by the way, the chord progression here will be A, F sharp minor, B minor, and E most of the time, except for the last row there. But anyway, we'll come to that. First, the A. That pattern goes like this. Hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play open A, second D, then you pick the second G and second B together, and back to second D. That's the A. The F sharp minor, hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play this part. So second E, fourth A, and then you pick the second G and second B together, and back to fourth A. That was the F sharp minor. Now to the B minor. You're gonna play this part. And that is second on A, fourth on D, then fourth on G and third on B together, and back to fourth on D. Then we have E, and that is like this. And it's open E, second A, and then you're gonna play the first G together with open B and second A. All right. And then we have the final pattern here to handle this verse, and that is the G part. For this G, you don't have to hold the full chord. It's just enough to hold the third fret on the E string in the bass. You're gonna play like that. So that is third on E, then open D, and then open G and open B together, and back to open D. All right, so we're ready for this verse, and it has kind of 4 rows into it when it comes to the playing here. In my mind, I think as 4 rows. So the first row or line will be A, F sharp minor, B minor, and E. Okay, so that is the first row or line. You're gonna play 1 string around per chord, or picking around per chord. It's like this. All right. The next row, it's very similar. It's A, F sharp minor, and B minor in the same way. So. And instead of picking the E, you're playing a bass line that goes like that. So you start on E string, you play open E, second E, fourth E, and fourth A. So what I do here, I go second E, fourth E, and I place the bar there on the fourth A. with that finger I'm using there. So in this case, the ring finger. And that's replacing the picking E pattern there. That's the second line. Then the third line is in the same way as the first one. So it's again A, F sharp minor, D minor, and the E. And the fourth and final row or line here will be A, F sharp minor, and G. And we'll stop there to begin with. It's A, F sharp, G, and then the E, you're gonna strum 8 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is the build up for the chorus. So that is the verse play. Now over to the chorus. And here we're gonna play the strumming pattern, which is about 4 downs. I like to play with some variation depending on where on the strings I'm playing. So 1 string around, if you have A there, that's the first chord in the chorus. Sounds like this. All right, so 4 downs in total, but on the first 2 downs I play on the bass strings. Then on the third down, I play more on the higher notes there, go down here, and then on the fourth I try to go back to the bass. So bass, bass, top, bass. That's what I'm aiming for. So we're gonna start this chorus here with playing A, 2 string rounds, E, 2 string rounds, F sharp minor, 2 string rounds, then D, 1 string round, and then you just hit an extra down on D and have a pause there, and then you go to E and play 1 down on that as well, and have a pause. That's the first part of this chorus, all right? So A2, E2, F sharp minor 2, D1, D, E, and then you do it all over again for a second round. So that's the first half of this chorus, you can say. Then we're gonna continue with just straight strummings here. It will be D1, E1, and A2. Gonna do that for 2 rounds, so. A2. Again, D1, E1, A2. Now comes D1, E1, A1, and F sharp minor 1, and final row D1, E1, and A1 down plus a pause. So that was the second half of the chorus. Just to summarize this full chorus here, we had the first part that was A2, E2, F sharp minor 2, D1, then 1 down on D with a pause, and 1 down on E with a pause. You do that for 2 rounds. That's the first half, so to speak, of this chorus. Then we had the D1, E1, and A2. You do that part for 2 rounds. And then you go to D1, E1, A1, F sharp minor 1. And then the final round is D1, E1, and A1 down plus a pause. All right. Then you go back and play it in this very same way there for the second round, the second verse, the second chorus. No changes there. Then after the second chorus, at about 2 minutes and 58 seconds into the song, comes a solo part. It's a solo slash an outro actually. So this is the final part of the song. You're gonna continue with the strumming here. You're gonna play A1, E1, F sharp minor 1, and D1. That chord progression of A, E, F sharp minor, and D, you're gonna play for 4 rounds. And after you finish these 4 rounds, you're gonna go to A1, F sharp minor 1, G1, and E1. And that final 4 chord progression round there will be for 4 rounds. So in total of 8 rounds, the first round goes like this. You play that for 4 rounds, and after 4 rounds you go to A, F sharp, G, and E. Finish off with 4 rounds of that, and that is the end of Green Day's Fancy Sauce. Alright guys, so very nice song this one. Guitar friendly like many of the Green Day's songs are, so give it a try, hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.